Hello, good morning. This is my first full day in New York. Hello, good morning. This is my first full day in New York. So my first thing was, food. And I was looking for a supermarket because, well, in Manhattan actually there are not a lot of supermarkets, like good, cheap supermarkets. They're really premium supermarkets. So I found this Costco, which is a wholesale and an Aldi upstairs. It took me like 40 minutes, a bus ride of about 40 minutes from the place I'm staying to get here. And I hope I'm gonna fill my backpack with some stuff for the next couple of days. I am about to explore a bit on my own. I made a self-guided walking tour. And should go this way. And I will just tick some of the things I have on my map. And we'll see how this goes. It's a bit chilly. It's okay. Crysler Building, which is this one. Like, it's really high. And it was the first building that really impressed me yesterday on my first walk. So here it is. Yeah, it's like. This is the next stop. It's the Grand Central Station, a very, very famous place in New York. Let's go inside. What they call Times Square. And it's really crazy. Like, there are a lot of tourists, there are a lot of locals, there are a lot of statue people, there are a lot of people going everywhere. But my biggest question is, why do they call it Times Square when it should be called? Yeah, we are all thinking about it. What is it? Commercial Square. Yeah. That's how it should be called. this is the ground floor. It's full of elevators, and then you look up. You're dizzy, right? Yeah, so am I. Is the Trump Tower, which is this one. Now that's a big tower. This is the final stop before going back. This is Central Park, and this is really weird to have this beautiful, beautiful lake and park in the middle of such a big city with such huge, huge buildings. I mean, how crazy it is, right? And you cannot really see it right now, but if you look on the map, this park is huge. Like, I don't think I could walk it like from one side to the other now. I think it's gonna get dark, so I think you need like one whole day to see everything that's going on in the park. That's pretty big. Look how crazy beautiful this view is. Why do people still do that? I hate it. I really hate it. Don't. Just walk. Or, you know, get a cab. Whatever you're near. Don't take the carriage with a horse. Oh, I hate it so bad.